Can we just stop and pause and just appreciate this lovely smile? With this obedience test, I will be leaving my aggressive canecorso with a tray full of raw food. Will he listen or disobey? I'll be back, all right? Don't go anywhere. And don't eat the chicken. You stay right there and protected. Which one do you like better? The drum or the thigh? I get you. Are you hungry? Okay, just a question. You'll get your food in a little bit. My oh my, you got chicken breast, chicken thigh. Osaka-de. Osaka-e. Osaka-e. Good. Sit. You've been waiting a long time. Would you like another one? Yeah.